A pet peeve of mine from some younger welders hitting the road or getting into the industry is this work hard, play hard mentality. Now, I'm all for having a good time, but I think a lot of guys will work really hard, and they're not used to that. So they're gone 2 or 3 months and they want to hit their hometown. They want to be with their families for a minute. The problem is that week turns into two, and that two turns into 2 or 3 months. And before they know it, they've spent their savings down, and now they have to hit the road. Biblically speaking, a lot of people are going to say, hey, God wants us to rest. Yes, but if you pay attention to the command, the fourth commandment, it's to keep the Sabbath day holy. And then he says, you shall work 6 days, but rest on the seventh. And I'm all for taking some time to see your family, your friends, go back to your hometown. But here's the issue. If you really evaluate, if you inventory the types of things you are doing during that time, I guess, are these times you're spending with your family valuable time? Are you truly interested in what your mom's doing and talking good, long conversations with your father? Or is it just goofy stuff? Are you back in your hometown, hanging out at the BP or the hospital, touring around a bunch of high school kids, trying to get yourself all pumped up? What truly are you doing back there? And if it's not productive, then what good is it to you? Because the people you're impressing right now with whatever you're doing aren't going to remember you in 5 or 10 years anyway, but your future family will. They're the ones that will benefit from you sacrificing the fun and going out and getting that work done. Now, we all make choices, so the choice is yours. But what I'm saying is think about it. 5 years, 10 years, 20 years down the road, what will have been a better use of your time? If you need some time off to relax, to unwind, to get out of the 7-12 mentality, by all means take it. But don't let yourself, check yourself. Don't let that stretch from 1 week to 2. If you're planning on 2, then get back out. Don't let it turn into 2 months and all you've been doing is hanging out with the old high school juniors and seniors in the local hometown. That's getting you nowhere.
So hopefully you guys like this video. We'll be putting out more videos on our YouTube channel, so subscribe to that. And also check out our website. We have links, and we also have shop for clothing and a virtual tour. Until next time, see you there.